Hi guys, today I'm going to be telling you how to make your access point work as a repeater. So I have a TP-Link spare access point, so that was lying around in my house, so I thought why not I should configure it to work as a wireless extender. So first of all you need to reset your access point or router, and then go to the Ethernet settings of your system and set it to obtain address automatically. Then it will require an IP address from the access point, and if you want to check it, you can check it by two ways. First of all, you can go to the properties, and or you can double click it. You can go to the details, and you will see that the DHCP is enabled and its value is yes. So it has required an IP address 1.100, and access point IP address will be the gateway IP address, that is 1.1. So from here on we can go into our browser and we can type the gateway IP address, and here we have our access point. We type in the default one. I think it is default username and password is admin for this, and we go into the settings of the TP-Link. So wireless extender works great if you have two access points that are of the same brand. Like if you have a TP-Link access point, will work exactly in compatibility with another TP-Link access point. I already have a TP-Link access point in my network, so I'm going to use this spare TP-Link access point to work as a repeater because I have some signal problems, so I need to extend my coverage. So I will, first of all, I need to disable the DHCP settings, and you need to save the this configuration, and you can see that it's telling me to change the DHCP config. The change of DHCP config will not take effect until the router reboots, so I'm not going to reboot this router at this point. I'm going to go into the wireless. First, another thing is that you need to check if the time settings and the time zone is compatible with the access point that you are configuring it or binding it to work as a repeater. So mine is this, so I'm going to save it, and then I go to the wireless settings, and this is my SSID of the extending access point. I'm not going to change the region, it's going to be the same because by default you have United States, and this is the main setting that when I will click this setting, more settings will come follow on. So SSID to be bridged. So SSID of the access point that is already in your network, that is working. So I don't know it yet. I'm going to search it. You need to press this search button. It will search and bring out some information of some network devices. So my SSID is Blue Moon, that is already been configured, and this is the MAC address. This is the power of that thing, signal that access point is spewing out, and this is the channel. So I need to remember this channel. I need to click the connect button. information will automatically fill into this bridge SSID text box. And I remember that I told you the channel should be same, so the access point for this access point I need to change the channel to the channel of this, to the working device that is already in the network. So it was using 8, so I'm going to give this thing the same channel. All in all, I don't need to touch any more of this, so I need to, final thing is that I need to give it, I think, a password. And other thing is that I need to configure this key type. Key type is this WPPSK or WPA2PSK. Afterwards I need to configure the you can say I need to provide the key Wi-Fi key for it to bind into, so I'll provide the Wi-Fi key. Sorry for that. Now so my access point will bind to this one. I need to provide it, the Wi-Fi key of my existing device, and then I need to save it. So the change to this to wireless change of wireless configuration will not take effect until reboot. I don't need to reboot it now because I need to do some more settings. So coming back to wireless, moving onwards to wireless security, I click it. I will now have to set security, wireless security for my extending device, for this this repeater device, because the users have to input the password, Wi-Fi password for this device so that they can connect to this device. So I need to provide key for this third setting, because it was the same setting that I will use this from onwards, and this setting is also configured on my working device. So in repeater mode this will use this wireless security. So I'll provide the key. Okay, I need to save it. Now things are configured. This device will work as an extender, so I need to reboot it. I go on and into the system tools of this TP-Link and press the reboot button here on. Now we are rebooting, and for you need to check for checking if this thing is working or not. I will disconnect my device onwards. Okay, device is rebooted. I'm going to disconnect it. Okay, I have disconnected it, and alright, now the device, my computer is disconnected from the device now, and now I'm going to see if my Wi-Fi is working or not. Okay, I need to disable the LAN Ethernet and enable the Wi-Fi. Now my computer Wi-Fi is enabled. Now I'm going to search my SSIDs. I need to okay, Blue Moon is already my network's access point. TP-Link is going to be the repeater, so I click and then click the connect button. So it didn't ask me for the Wi-Fi key because I had previously configured the same Wi-Fi key. It has been stored inside the system configuration adapter or Wi-Fi networks. So it has taken the key and it is now connected. You can also see the details here. It is connected with the my system is connected with the repeater device, and repeater device has provided given it the and it has this IP address now. So this IP address is provided from my access point actually, and this my computer is actually linked with wirelessly with the repeater. Now you need to check if the internet is working, or you can ping if you want. You can go to first of all Google and you enter it's working now. As you can see, you can go to any website if you like. So you can even bring out your gateway information. Like this is my other VPN device. I'm sorry, not VPN, it's actually my other TP-Link access point. So the device is working as a repeater now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, thank you, and ring the bell icon for more tips and videos.